Hi, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Math Magic. Of course, I'm Lisa, and I'm here to teach you another trick of the day. Okay, so I know we've done a lot of mind reading if you watched any of my videos from before, but today I'm going to actually explain how it's done. But of course, you need to know what the trick is. So, step one, think of a number between 1 and 9, any number. Second step, multiply it by 2. So you can take that number and just double it, add it to itself. Now, step 3, multiply that number by 5. Got it? Okay, now divide it by the number you started with. Got it? Okay, now subtract 7. Ba-da-da, your number is 3. Is it 3? Okay, of course it is. Now let me show you how it's done. So here is an example. So I chose 6. Well, I multiplied that by 2, and then I get 12. You can also double it, so you can add 6 plus 6, so you would still get 12. In step 3, I'm going to multiply 12 by 5. Now I can count by 5s 12 times, and I would get 60. In step 4, you divide that number by your original number, so 60 divided by 6 equals 10. In my final step, I subtract 7, and the answer is always going to be 3. So you can see here, I've reduced all those steps into an equation. So n stands for any number. So it's just going to be represented by a letter. So n times 2 times 5 divided by n minus 7 equals 3. Now, I know that looks a little tricky, a little confusing, especially if you haven't seen equations like this before. So let's simplify it. So because you are dividing by a number that you're multiplying by, you're essentially just canceling it out. So here you can see I just x'd out both the n's, and I'm left with 2 times 5. We know that's going to be 10, and that's always going to be 10. So if I subtract 7 from the 10, I'm always going to get 3. All right, so because always in step 4 you end up with 10, you can really subtract by any number, and then the answer would be its friendly number. So you could say, you could subtract by 6, and the answer would always be 4. You could subtract by 3, and the answer would always be 7. So you can always switch around your numbers to continue to amaze and impress your friends and family. So, as always, that is our trick. That's our trick for today, and we'll see you next time. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Bye.